gang shall see your girl Nana sick as a dog. Yep, still masking up. Even though we both have it, we just think it's best to mask up germs-wise. Protocols are here, so we just keep them in place. Glasses are fogging up, so y'all can just see just how sick your girl is. Don't even care. Got to get out and run to the store because DoorDash is closed, so we don't know what's going on with DoorDash. Warming up the Jeep. It's currently 31 degrees outside here in Dallas-Fort Worth. I think at the airport it might be 32. So anyway, while I'm just sitting here playing music, copyright.
B-roll.
Yeah. Y'all see what I look like, wonderful bedhead of Texas. But anyways, let me get y'all on this road and see how it's cleared up out here. Excuse me, y'all. So it looks like, hold on, y'all. Alright, I'm back. I didn't want y'all to hear that. But your girl's really sick, so I don't really want y'all to hear me gagging and coughing. So anyways, the roads look like they're melting away. But as they're saying on the news, whatever's melted will melt, be gone. But what's not will refreeze tonight. I don't know what of that is true, because we definitely got water standing over here to my left. But everything looks cleared away. So last night, Miss B talking about let's go. So we got out last night to DoorDash.
What are you talking about, Miss B?
Sorry about that, be tripping, y'all.
No, NNG tripping, y'all.
I'll be tripping. So Nana went out last night and got stuck in the ice.
And I told her, don't go. Don't take your ass out there.
Don't believe everything she over here saying.
But she just, y'all know how NNG is.
Y'all know how Miss B is. But y'all were just going crazy being in the house trying to get better, and oh man, for real though, like I don't know. I feel delirious. I feel like I can't stay in the damn bed. Y'all see that ice over there? So yeah, I can't stay in the bed. I can't not do what needs to be done. And right now I want a margarita, so guess where I'm going? It's gonna be a margarita. But yeah, got stuck out last night. Had to call 911 to come rescue me. Thanks to, shout out to North Richland Hills Police for rescuing Nana from the Taco Bell on the corner of Texas 26 and Harwood Road with my duet with me.
By herself. Your duet.
Or my duo. Whatever you are.
Me?
My partners in
I was
crime.
not with you.
Well, that's lightning gonna strike her ass dead, y'all. Spam risk calls. But, you know, them playgirls, they gotta keep what they do on the down low.
Wow.
You know? My daddy always said, you know what? Them playgirls need lots of beauty west. Well, she's gotten all her booty west. Y'all, I'm looking over here at this little miniature, little electricity thing we got going on. I guess that would be one of our dilly madoodlies. So far, we haven't lost electricity. It's supposed to get down.
They said today is supposed to be up to 70 71.2 something on the grid, so they're gonna see how it's gonna hold up.
Yeah, because it's going to be really, really, really cold tonight, you guys. I can deal with the coldness. I just can't deal with all this wetness out here. But, yeah, it's supposed to be really nasty. Ugh, I don't know. But, I'm on my way to get a freaking margarita. I just want a margarita.
Look like a margarita.
I feel like a margarita. If I look like a margarita, boy, that's good right there.
Yeah.
I don't know how this looks like a margarita, but I'll go with that. I'll go with that for real. All the school closings and, you know what I'm saying, everything ain't everything out here, but everything's everything, I guess. Driving through slush. Here in about 2 more degrees, this shit will be froze back over. Like this will be black ice right here that y'all see on the road. To the left will be black ice, because that's all wet. But anyways, wanted to bring y'all a little bit of footage, let y'all have an update on Nana Gang and Miss B. I sound a lot better today than I have actually been sounding. Sorry I haven't been attending anybody's lives. Trust and believe me, I'm at your live. I'm liking it. I'm sharing it. I'm letting it play. I may be falling asleep, but I got to rest. You know, that's what's going to get me better. I don't have the energy to sit in people's lives right now, and I do apologize for that, but I do let it play. But with that being said, gang, out this beach. Join us on our journey of playing in the snow, you guys. It's bad here in Dallas-Fort Worth.
We've seen worse.
We've seen worse, but it's
Most
bad.
definitely.
Y'all hear that? Y'all see that? It's bad out here. Don't get out in this shit.
I mean, that's nothing but ice.
This is nothing but ice, y'all.
Let's go do a donut in the parking lot.
I ain't busting mine.
Oh, Lord! Ooh, the Chinese place is open. You gotta talk about the band and see if they'll come back tonight.
I'm not driving all the way down in there, ain't you?
Oh, okay. Well, that would be doing that so far.
Y'all see all this? Just sheets and sheets of ice. Egg drop soup, yes sir.
Oh yeah. What in the world has happened, y'all? Oh.